with the Bitcoin halving event in just a few days. Today, we're diving into the concept of Bitcoin halving, its impact on the crypto market, and how will it affect the BNQ token value. So, what exactly is Bitcoin halving? Well, it's an event that occurs approximately every 4 years, where the reward for mining new blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain gets cut in half. This reduction in mining rewards has a significant impact on the supply of Bitcoin. With fewer new Bitcoins being created, it becomes scarcer over time. Now, you might wonder, how does this affect the crypto market? Well, it's all about supply and demand. When the supply of Bitcoin decreases due to halving, and demand remains constant or increases, it can lead to upward pressure on its price. Historically, we have seen that Bitcoin halving events have often been followed by bull markets, where the price of Bitcoin experiences significant growth. In summary, Bitcoin halving is a fundamental aspect of the cryptocurrency's monetary policy, designed to control its inflation rate. And its effects on the market can be profound, influencing the price and behavior of Bitcoin, as well as all the other altcoins, in the crypto ecosystem. Now, how will this Bitcoin halving affect the value and price of BNQ token? Like all the other coins in the market, the bull run will affect the price of the BNQ token. The price of the BNQ token has already seen a hike twice since its launch, and in the future we see BNQ token being the perfect coin for investment. We see growth and price hikes for the BNQ token in the bull run market post the Bitcoin halving. Buy your BNQ tokens now on BitNasdaq, or win your BNQ tokens with the dedicated Bitcoin halving page. For more educational content, visit the BitNasdaq YouTube channel.